Ethereum is starting to pump, and that can only mean one thing: alt season is coming. In fact, since my last video, several gems I covered have already done 5x. But let's be honest, that's not enough. We're aiming for 30x, 50x, even 100x gains. So I went deep into research, analyzed the charts, tracked the rotation patterns, and today I'm sharing with you the 10 altcoins with the highest potential to absolutely explode over the next 3 months. But before I show you the list, you need to understand why this is happening, because once you do, you'll realize you're still early. Ethereum is now outperforming Bitcoin. That's the start of phase 2 in the market cycle. This is when money rotates out of Bitcoin and into Ethereum and then flows into large caps and finally into altcoins. It's a pattern we've seen over and over again. Bitcoin dominance is getting rejected, ETH BTC is breaking out, and the total 3 chart, the market cap of all altcoins, excluding BTC and ETH, is showing a massive breakout formation. The rotation has started. Alt season isn't just a possibility anymore, it's knocking on the door. And beyond the charts, fundamentals are lining up. Crypto bills are being approved, nations are buying, institutions are loading up on Ethereum, and massive liquidity is about to rotate into the altcoin market. I believe the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, total 3, is heading toward $3 trillion this cycle. But to capture those gains, you need the right coins. That's why I've done the homework. This isn't just another random altcoin list. These are high conviction, deeply researched gems, the kind that go not just 3x, but 10x, 30x, or even 100x. Let's get into it. PEPE. Let's start with PEPE. This is the king of meme coins, wild, viral, and backed by one of the strongest communities in crypto. The hype is still alive, and even after massive gains, it's holding strong. You don't need a huge bag, just having a little exposure to PEPE could seriously pay off during alt season. It's cheap, fast-moving, and perfect for retail FOMO. This coin could easily do another 10x from here if the momentum kicks in. Now looking at the chart, we're seeing a strong uptrend, clean support levels, and breakouts from consolidation. It's respecting its range perfectly, and volume is building up again. If it clears the next resistance zone, it could absolutely take off. Classic meme coin structure, low resistance, high upside. By the way, if you're looking to make real money during this alt season, I highly recommend trading these coins on WEEX, just like I do. Use my exclusive link below to claim up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, a $100,000 mystery box, and huge discounts on trading fees. Only available through my link. Don't miss it if you're serious about profiting from this market. ONDO. ONDO is one of the strongest real-world asset plays in crypto right now. While everyone's focused on ETH, big players like BlackRock are also backing ONDO behind the scenes. It's bringing bonds and treasury yields directly on-chain, and that's huge. As regulation catches up, ONDO is perfectly positioned to benefit. This is not a hype coin, this is infrastructure-level DeFi. When the rotation starts from majors to serious fundamentals, ONDO could be one of the biggest winners. Chart-wise, ONDO is building a strong bullish structure. After breaking key resistance zones, we are now in accumulation again. Price is coiling up, and a breakout could send it toward $2 or beyond. It's got that steady grind-up pattern, not flashy, but very reliable. ENA. ENA is the governance token of Athena, a protocol that's building synthetic dollars, USDA, using delta-neutral strategies. It's one of the most interesting stablecoin alternatives out there. Yields are generated through real DeFi mechanisms, not empty inflation. Right now, ENA is still flying under the radar, but with this kind of model and traction, it could easily 5 to 10x as demand for stable income grows. On the chart, ENA bounced off its lows and has formed a strong base. We're seeing a potential reversal pattern with higher lows and volume starting to tick up. If it breaks above resistance, momentum could really kick in. PENDLE. Now let's dive into the real juicy plays, the low cap altcoins with the biggest upside potential. These are the ones that could deliver insane 30x, even 50x gains if this alt season kicks off the way we expect. PENDLE lets you tokenize and trade yield. Think about that. You can literally buy and sell future returns. It's like Wall Street bond trading, but in DeFi. That's a huge unlock, and no one's doing it better than PENDLE. Institutions are paying attention, and as yield farming comes back into play, this could be a monster. I really think this one could do a solid 10 to 20x. PENDLE has been in a strong uptrend for months. Even during dips, it holds key support. Right now, it's consolidating under a major resistance. A breakout here could send it flying again. The setup looks clean and bullish. Quick note, none of these projects have sponsored me. These are 100% my own picks based on years of experience trading and researching crypto full-time. I'm always going to keep it real and honest with you. If you appreciate that, make sure to hit the subscribe button. It really helps. Syrup. Syrup is a new altcoin with low market cap and high upside. It's building sticky DeFi incentives and growing a tight community. Not many people are talking about it yet, but it's exactly the kind of token that can randomly explode 50x when the hype wave hits. High risk, high reward, but if it delivers even half of what it promises, the upside is wild. Syrup is sitting in accumulation right now. It's at a floor with very little resistance above. A small pump could push it into price discovery. This is one of those stealth setups where early entries matter. AIOZ. AIOZ is all about decentralizing content delivery. YouTube, Netflix, Twitch, but on-chain. It's real infrastructure and it's already live. The tech is working, the demand is real, and as more creators get on board, the value of the token could skyrocket. This is Web3 meets Web 2 and it's just starting. AIOZ is forming a textbook bullish pennant. The volume is declining, which is what you want before a breakout. If it clears the upper trend line, this can easily double or triple in days. Beam. Beam focuses on privacy. With all the attention on surveillance and on-chain tracking, private transactions are becoming more valuable than ever. Beam was early to this space and is still innovating. If privacy becomes a hot topic again, and it will, Beam could go parabolic. Beam is coiled tightly right now. It's holding support like a rock, and a move above resistance could trigger a serious breakout. It's not doing much yet, which is the perfect time to watch it. And before we jump into the real big gems at the end of the list, don't forget to sign up to WEEX using the link below to claim your bonuses. That's where the big money is made, trading these altcoins with leverage while the market heats up. Grass. Grass is playing the sustainability angle in crypto. Green tech, low emissions, and scalable dApps. It's building for the long term. This kind of project could attract eco-conscious capital, especially if ESG narratives return. Right now, it's still under the radar, but it fits perfectly into the future of clean blockchain. The chart looks like a classic pre-pump setup. It's been flat, volume is low, and that usually means one thing. Something big is brewing. This could flip fast. Waves. Waves is a veteran in the space. Layer 1 blockchain with its own ecosystem. It's been quiet for a while, but tokens like this tend to explode out of nowhere. High risk, yes, but also high potential. If attention rotates to older L1s, Waves could catch a second life. Waves looks volatile, but it's testing the same zone over and over. If it breaks out, we could see a 2x or more very quickly. Definitely not a coin to sleep on during alt season. I'm holding these altcoins for the next few months because I truly believe they can deliver massive returns. Whether you're trading them or holding them long term, the potential is there. Make sure to check out all the links below, leave a like, subscribe, and watch this next video right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.